Hello and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for an ultimate refreshing drink? Then here's one such which is fresh, fruity and very easy to prep. The sweet, tangy and freshness makes it perfect for the summer days. So let's get started. Select some fresh and ripe passion fruits, either from your garden if you have any, or pick from the stores that are slightly heavy and have a wrinkled skin. Simply wash them and cut them into half. Then take a tall glass, drop in some chunks of lime and also some fresh mint leaves. Then scoop out the passion fruit pulp into the glass. Passion fruit nourishes your body with antioxidants, fiber and vitamins. That helps to boost immunity, support the heart health and aids in digestion. Using a muddle, gently squeeze and crush them. This helps to better release the oils, aroma and the extract. Also, I have shared videos of other refreshing drinks and smoothies in this channel, and I can give the link to that in the description below. Do check them out and list out which stands out your favorite. Once nice and combined, fill the glass generously with ice cubes. Lastly, we're going to slowly pour in the chilled soda water to the top. Fill the glass as you like. Now, if you want sweetness, you can add any sweetener of your choice. But I love to keep it this way. Give it a gentle stir so that all the flavors come together. This is a really refreshing and amazing drink. So quickly grab your ingredients and make this amazing passion fruit mojito and enjoy. Now, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like and stay connected with us. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you soon in our next video.